Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the True 5.1.4 Hi-Fi surround sound system with Dolby Atmos, which makes it special with its 900W home theater soundbar and 25Hz subwoofer, providing an immersive audio experience. This system is perfect for smart TV owners who want to elevate their home entertainment setup with high-quality sound and a comprehensive speaker setup, including a center channel speaker and 4 surround speakers. Let me break down the specs. This sound system is powered by a high-performance processor that delivers 900W of total power, with 5 channels for surround speakers and 1 subwoofer, each with its own specific power rating. The system supports Dolby Atmos and has a frequency response of 25 Hz to 20 kHz, with a signal-to-noise ratio of 100 dB. The soundbar itself has a dimension of 45 inches in length, 3 inches in height, and 5 inches in depth, while the subwoofer measures 12 inches in height, 12 inches in width, and 15 inches in depth. The system also features a hi-fi grade crossover, soundbar eARC, and BT 5.4 for seamless connectivity. Additionally, the system has an HDMI input, an optical input, a USB port, and a wireless subwoofer connection. The sound system also supports 4K pass-through at 60 Hz, with HDR10 and Dolby Vision support, and has a Bluetooth range of up to 30 feet. In real-world use, this sound system delivers exceptional performance, with clear and balanced sound that fills a room. The 25Hz subwoofer provides deep bass that is perfect for action movies and music, while the surround speakers create an immersive audio experience. The system is also very easy to set up, with a simple and intuitive interface that makes it easy to navigate and adjust settings. The build quality is also excellent, with a sturdy and premium feel to the soundbar and subwoofer. In terms of audio quality, the system delivers excellent dialogue clarity, with a wide soundstage and precise sound localization. Real-world reviews praise the system's ability to deliver immersive and engaging audio, with many users commenting on the excellent dialogue clarity and precise sound localization. Users also love the system's ease of use and setup, with many commenting on how easy it is to connect and configure the system. Additionally, users praise the system's build quality, with many commenting on the premium feel and sturdy construction. However, some users report that the system could be a bit complex to calibrate, with some users needing to adjust the settings multiple times to get the perfect sound. Additionally, some users report that the system can be a bit expensive, with a price tag of around $1,200.